everyone, I got a leftover pork loin over here. It's been in my fridge for over a week. I barbecued like a week ago. Last Friday, in fact, into this Friday. So, and I'm gonna cook this to make sisig. So here's my leftover pork loin. Here's the Mamacita's Kapampangan sisig mix, jalapeno, and onion. So I'm gonna do it. Cut this, dice. Cut this in small pieces. All right. Then we're gonna cook it. Takes about 10 minutes to cook, or less. All right. I'm heating up the pan. Put oil on it, olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want. Now we're gonna saute the onions. Now I'm gonna mix with 1/4 of water. Meat is in here from the pork loin, all cut up in little cubes. Been like 5 minutes. So it's starting to caramelize now, so I'm gonna put the meat. Now I'm gonna cover this. Let it boil. Cook it like this for maybe a couple of minutes until you see it boil. It's sizzling now. Alright, it's been sizzling for 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the jalapeno. You don't need to, but if you want it spicier, then add jalapeno on it. Alright, it's done. This is my sisig, pork made out of leftovers, pork loin on this one. So you can use any leftovers you want. Just cut them in pieces. You can use chicken too if you want. I'm gonna sample it. Let's see. Pretty good. Yeah, it's good. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.